Welcome back to the lesson of Microsoft PowerPoint. In this lesson, I'm going to show you about the paragraph section in Home tab. Okay, well, paragraph section is an essential section in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so obviously if you want to organize your paragraphs and all of your contents inside Microsoft PowerPoint and make your presentation look a bit more clean and organized, obviously the paragraph section is going to help you through the process. So first things first, what I'm going to do is have, a slide. Okay, now you can see that I have my slide over here. Then you can also select this type of layout, whichever one you want. Okay, that is going to be up to you. So first off, what I'm going to do is going to be add in a couple of text so that I can arrange my text. Okay, so let's say the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Hit on a full stop. Okay, now as we're done, what I'm gonna do is going to be starting off with the alignment. Well, the alignment section is very important, so it's going to allow you to select the type of text or the type of alignment you want to use. So first off, what you're going to do is select the text, and you can see the alignment text are also over here, but there are 3 of them, but here there are 4 of them. Okay, the last one is justify, which does not appear over when you select the text in this section. So first one is going to be left align. So if you want to align all of your text to be left instead of starting from over here, then you can use this tool of left align, which is also the shortcut key of Control L. I'm going to show you both of the method. I'm going to click on align left, and you can see the text now appears like this. All will start from the left side. Okay, so that will be basically it. And what I'm going to do is press on Control L. I'm going to select on it, and you can see Control plus L. I'm going to make it to be centered, and I'm going to press on Control plus L, and you can see that they are now left aligned. Now the one is going to be center, so you have to press Control plus E. But what I'm going to do is just press on over here, and you can see that it will be center aligned. You can also press Control plus E to do that. So I'm going to press Control plus E instead of using the key mouse, and you can see that they are center aligned. Then we have is the right align tool. If you want to do that, just press on Control plus R, or also use this tool. That is also doable. I'm going to press Control plus R, and you can see that it will look like this. Okay, if you want it to be justified, just press on this and it will be justified. So how does justify help you? So it's going to have all the text in a specific type of line. Okay, lazy dog in the scorching sun. Now what I'm going to do is justify all of them. Now you can see that all of them are like this, but when I press on L, you will see that all of them will be over at the left. But if you press, justified, it will end on a line and have more spaces in between them. Okay, so that is what justify does. Then we have is line spacing. If you want to add more more columns in a specific type of page, you can do that. Okay, but first off, just as I told you, I'm going to do line spacing first. If you want more spaces in between lines, then you can select on this tool, and you can select the type of space you want to add. Let's say if you want 3, you can do that. If you want 2.5, 2.0, 1.5, and 1. If you want to see more options, just select on more options and then select the indent spacing, before, after, and line spacing. Okay, but I'm going to show you just this. So if you want 1.5, just click on it, and you can see the spaces in between them. If you want to do 2.5 or 2.0, you can also select on them, and 3.0 at last. But I'm going to keep it at 1.0 because I like it better. Okay, I'm going to increase the size of it. You can resize them however you want, like this, and your text will change its size. Then what I'm going to show you is going to be this one, which is also add or remove column. If you want 2 columns or 3 columns and a specific page, then you can do that. So I'm going to click on here and add 2 columns. Now you can see the lazy. What I'm going to do is hit enter, and you can see it will look like this, but I'm going to show you it a bit later so that you will find it to be more easier to find and easier to see and notice. First, what I'm going to show you is going to be bullets. Okay, bullets are those type of tools which helps you to make bullets of each and every content or points. Okay, so let's say I'm going to click on bullets, and you can also select different type of bullets you want. Let's say you have different type of formats, but first off, let's start off with this. Okay, let's say banana, orange. Let's say I'm going to click on over here. Let's say I'm going to have to add it on subtitle. I'm going to click on bullets, banana, orange, Then we have is papaya, and all of those. You can see all of them are now bullets. Okay, if you want to change the bullet style, just click on over here and select the ones you want. You can see that they will differentiate from one by one. If you want more type of bullets, you can click on bullets and numbers and select the color and also the size of them. You can, let's say I'm going to select on this, press on OK, and you can see the color has changed. Now you can also do a couple of those, like making up your own type of like bullets. You can just click on customize, or you can use this these tools or these symbols. Let's press OK, and they will turn out to be like that. But if you want different type of images, you can also do that. Click on over here, bullets and numberings, click on picture, and you can use stock images, online pictures from icons and all of those. Let's say I'm from a file. I'm gonna click on over here. Let's say I'm gonna go to desktop. Let's say I'm gonna select on new folder and select on this one. Click on insert, and they will change to be like them. See, this is like very simple, right? You can use whichever type of bullet you want. Then we have is numbering. If you want to do numbering, you can also do that. Let's say if you want 1, 2, 3, 4, and this Roman number sticks. Okay, then we have is lowercase ABC and lowercase Roman numbers, and all of those will appear up. Let's say I'm going to use this, and if I do this, you will see 4 will appear up. Eventually they are not visible because of the color, so I'm going to change it again. I'm going to click on bullets and numbers and change the color to be black. Okay, hit on enter, and you can see the numbers will add up. But if you don't want any bullets, just click on backspace and you can type your own data again without making it any bullets. Okay, and then you're done with bullets. Okay, now I'm going to do is select all of those and keep them to be left aligned. Now the next thing is going to be a bit different. Let's say I'm going to add in another content. Let's say papaya and then strawberry. Okay, now when I hit on enter, you can see that it is going like this. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to hit on backspace. Now I'm going to show you this line spacing, or this option called add or remove column. Now I'm going to press on 2 columns, and you will see it will start from over here. I'm going to hit on backspace. Okay, now it has started from here, and now it is going to be 5. It's going to start from over here. If you want more columns, you can also do that. 3. If you want more, just click on more columns and you will be able to do that. You can add even 10. Hit on enter. You will see 10 of them will appear up. Okay, but I don't want that. I'm going to click on 1 or 2 or 3, whichever one I want according to my content. Okay, and now you know how this section or this tool works, add or remove column. Then we have is the indent. Okay, so first off, if you want to increase the level, you will see it will go more over there, going to the right, and if you go like do this, it will go more to the left. Okay, so that is how it actually works, the level. Then what we're gonna do is text direction. Okay, if you want to change the text direction, you can do that. Let's say I'm gonna rotate all of them 90 degrees. It's going to rotate 90 degrees. If you want keep them to be 270 degree, they're going to rotate 270 degree. If you want stacked, you can also keep it like this. Okay, but I don't want it, so I'm gonna keep it all to be horizontal. Then we have is align text. If you want to keep all of them to be according to your desires, I'm going to keep it like this and select all of them. And I'm going to align the text to be middle, and all of them will appear in the middle. If you want them at the bottom, they will appear all at the bottom. Okay, so as I don't have a lot of data, you cannot see the difference, but eventually if you did, like if I had a lot of data, then you could like literally see how it actually works. And you can see that they are at the bottom, or maybe at the middle, wherever it is. Okay, if you type in the middle, they will be appeared in the middle. Okay, so now you know how it actually works. Then the last one is going to be convert to smart art graphic. Okay, another method of making your bullets to look a bit better is going to be converting to smart art. So select all of your text and convert to smart art. You can see that there are a couple of these options which you can apply. You can see that the bullets are now changing into different type of graphic content. Okay, you can select on more smart art graphics and then select whichever one you want according to the category. Let's say I want office.com. You can select whichever one you want, and you can also see a preview of them. Okay, so you can go through each and every one of them, like list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid, picture, office.com, all of those. Let's say I'm going to use this or this. I'm going to press on OK, and now you will see all of them will appear just like this. You can also even add photos. So this is what this paragraph section does for you, and this is like very useful. Okay, so hope you guys like understood everything about this lesson on learning about the paragraph section. So thank you for watching this video and also staying with us.